This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H11 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely to prevent burns or electrical issues. Safety is paramount when working on any car component. To access the headlight bulb, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you're working on. This gives you more room. Next, you'll need to remove 2 plastic clips and one 10mm bolt from the fender liner. Gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly. This step provides the necessary space to reach the bulb without removing the entire bumper. Now, carefully twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing. Once loose, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and gently pulling it off. Avoid touching the glass of the new H11 bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it securely locks into position. After installing the new bulb, firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Before reassembling everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly. If it works, carefully push the fender liner back into place, reinsert the 2 plastic clips, and tighten the 10mm bolt. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, plus other great deals. This simple process saves you time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.